Hey everybody, happy Fatwood Friday. Down in the cabin, I think you should be able to hear. It's raining good. So I'm going to see if I can get a fire. With my Chef White knife. I got a just an extra ferro rod I keep in my haversack, and then this is a ceramic striker. That's from the Bulldog Survival. It's over in the UK. Wife ordered that for me. All right, let's see what happens. Oh, we got it. Okay, two. Not too bad. Like I said, rainy day. I kind of thought about camping back here, but I don't know. I'm not really set up yet. My tarp blew down. I'm going to work on that here in a little bit. Try to get that tarp put back up. And I don't know. We'll see. If I don't get to camp this weekend, I'm going to go to North Carolina next week. So probably after I get back from that, we'll see what happens. Weather ought to be a little nicer. We needed the rain, but hey. But there's my Fatwood fire. Hope everybody enjoys. Nothing really crazy going on. I think I'll get you a video for Monday on the on my little camp box I put together, and I'm still adding stuff to it. But yeah, I'll show you that Monday. All right, thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great weekend. Get outside, even if it's raining. It's okay. Have a good time. Thanks for watching.